Journey. Unit 3, Second Standard, Term 3, EVS. You will learn about different modes of transport and road safety. Roadways. Shakti, his father, mother and sister Kayal and Kavita lived in Trichy. They planned to go on a tour of Chennai for their holidays. They had to reach the railway station to board the train. Shakti.
How are we going to the station?
Shakti and his family reached the railway station. They saw the vendors selling food and magazines, the station master waving a flag, porters loading the parcels, and many kinds of trains. Kyle said,
What a busy place that the station is.
Mother replied, Yes, it is, because the train carry many people from place to place in a short time. Vehicles on the roadways. Bus needs fuel, carries 50 plus people. Car needs fuel, 5 people can travel. Auto rickshaw needs fuel, 2 or 3 people can travel. Lorry carries goods. Ambulance takes sick people to the hospital. Fire and rescue vehicle puts out fires. Scooter, 2 people can ride. Bullock cart does not need fuel to move. It's eco-friendly. Bicycle, the simplest form of transport, eco-friendly. Cycling keeps us fit. Tick the slowest vehicle. Answer is bicycle. Kinds of trains. Trains that carry people are called passenger train. It stops at all stations used within and between the cities. Metro rail. Used within cities. Superfast express. Stops at specified stations. Trains that carry goods. Goods trains. Some trains use coal or diesel as fuel to move. Therefore, they give out smoke. Electric trains are smokeless. Trains move on tracks. Shakti and his family boarded their train and reached Chennai. Fill in the blanks. The dash train stops at all stations. Passenger train. The dash train carries goods. The goods train. Dash, dash and dash trains carry people. Passenger, metro and superfast trains carry people. Let's talk about waterways. Shakti and his family took a tour around Chennai. They visited the harbour. Shakti.
There are so many boats.
Mother. The smaller ones are called boats and the bigger ones are ships. Ships carry a large number of people and goods from one country to another. Vehicles on the waterways. Catamaran uses oars to move, used for fishing. Motorboat uses fuel to move, used for fishing and for pleasure rides. Sailing boat, sails help it move, used for travel and sport. Ship uses fuel to move, carries goods and people over long distances. The coracle is used to travel on lakes and rivers for short distances. It can carry 5 to 6 people. The children played on the seashore.
What a lovely visit.
Write the names of the vehicles: ship, boat, sailing boat, boat. Airways. The vacation was coming to an end. The family reached the Chennai airport as they were flying back to Trichy. Shakti, Kavita and Kayal were really excited to see the aeroplanes.
Look at the planes landing and taking off. I want to be a pilot, Appa.
Sure, you can. Observe the speed at which the aeroplanes are moving. They are the fastest means of transport.
Does the aeroplane use fuels too?
Yes, a special kind of fuel. Kinds of aircraft. Helicopter. This is a helicopter. It can carry a few people. It is used by the army to save lives and bring supplies during floods and other difficulties. Aeroplane. This is an aeroplane. People use aeroplanes to go from one city or country to another. It also carries goods. Hot air balloons. These are hot air balloons. They are used to tell us about the weather, for advertisements and as a sport. Tick the vehicles that move in the air. Aeroplane, helicopter. Road safety. Have you seen this symbol? Discuss this with your teacher. Actually, this is a symbol of signal. Always use the footpath for walking. If there is no footpath, make sure that the road is to your right. While riding a motorcycle, wear a helmet. While driving a car, use the seat belt. Do not run across the road. Never go alone on the road. Always go with an elder. Use the footover bridge or subway to cross the road. If there are none, use the pedestrian crossing, that is zebra crossing. At some places, the road and the train track meet. It is called a level crossing. Never try to cross it when the gates are closed. Common and important road signs are given here. School zone, drive slow. Unnamed level crossing, be careful when crossing. Pedestrian crossing, cross here only. Bus stop, bus stops here. Level crossing, check before you cross. Do not horn here. No parking, do not park your vehicle here. Hospital zone, do not horn. U-turn, allowed to turn. Choose the correct answer. The road sign shown here means that a school zone is nearby. This road sign indicates level crossing. Who am I? Tick the right answer. I can run without fuel, bicycle. I stop at all station, passenger train. I fly in the sky with a few people, helicopter. I can travel both on a lake and a river, boat. Connect the words with the related picture. First is a road, track, sea, lake, signal, air. Choose and write the correct answer. Fishermen use me to fish, catamaran. I am used by the army to save people, helicopter. Electric trains are smokeless. Identify the incorrect pair based on the mode of transport and put a mark. Answer is car and coracle. Write 2 actions that you should not do on the road. Do not Run across the road. Do not play on the road. Tick the vehicles that move using fuel. Car, lorry, helicopter, ship, bus, ambulance. Observe, think and tick the correct action. The first one is correct. People are using the overbridge to cross the road. Next coming, people are wearing the safety jacket in the water. And then we have the correct picture wherein people are waiting at the signal.